Hey friends, welcome. I hope everybody's doing great today. Happy Wednesday. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. And today we're gonna do an IKEA haul. Not something I normally do because it's not really craft stuff, but the reason I'm doing this IKEA haul is because I found a couple super cute things that are new, that are just like Halloween and fall decor, that I was like, oh, these are so cute, I really want to share. So then I was like, well, if I'm gonna do that, I might as well just do everything, right? Because otherwise it would be like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Anyways, this guy was $39.99. So this and these are what I actually went for. So this is, I needed a insert for my duvet cover. One that is, because the one that I have is super heavy. It's down and it's just really hot right now in Florida. So this one is a cooler temperature one. It was like $39.99 or so, yeah. Okay, so these guys, I'm not even sure how much they are. They're not super expensive though, but these are, if you can see, so these things are great. If you have not seen these are fantastic. They're pitcher ledges and they come in 3 different sizes. These are, I think these are the biggest ones. The small ones are great if you have a little kid and you want a place to put books. You can line them up and then put books on them. They're great. I have one of these in my hallway. You put it up and then you can just like lean all your pictures up against it instead of hanging them on the wall. So the reason I got these, I got 2 of them because on my sliding door, I decided to take off the curtains and I put on the like vinyl liner from Amazon, the floral vinyl liner on it, and I'm gonna put these above it and just put pictures and stuff up there. So I needed these. I'll show you guys when it's done. Probably not everybody's taste, but I like it. I think it's fun, and these days I'm all about making my house fun. And then I got this guy here. It's 2 different things. So this is very light, but it looks ceramic-y. And I'm actually gonna paint it like a blue color. And then I got the plant. So this is gonna go up with the pictures above the shelf. I didn't want something that I'd have to get on a ladder and water. So, and they have really nice faux plants. I think $7.99, $4.99. So they're like little Ziploc bags. These things are great. I always buy these. They're thick. They work great. They're inexpensive. And these are my absolute favorite Ziploc bags. All right, so little dustpan. This is actually a craft thing because this is to clean up stuff in my craft room. All right, and then I got this rug. If you can see it, it was $20, I think, but it's got like a brown, and this blue is the perfect, it's like the accent color in my house. My house is like this color in chocolate, so this is perfect. And I needed something for it in front of the garage door. And then the last thing that is not part of what I want to show you is, I love these laundry baskets. They're like 10 bucks, 9 something. They're my favorite. They used to only come in blue. So I have blue, and now they come in pink, yellow, green, and the blue. And these things, I just love them. They're so cute. They're lightweight, but they're sturdy. I have a pink one and a blue one, and I needed one more, so I got that. All right, and now this is the stuff that I was super excited and I wanted to share. I'm gonna start with this one because it's not new, but it is still very cute. So these are ceramic cactus. My dog is out there barking in a low bark, and for a minute I thought he was out there vomiting. My heart stopped for a second. I was like, oh gosh. But he's barking. But look how pretty these are. So this was $20. It was $19.99. And these are just so pretty. I had looked at these before and didn't buy them. And today I was like, I need to just get them because I have a good place for them and I look at them every time I come. So this is it right here. All right, so, oh, sorry, cutting boards. That's it, cutting boards. I needed some. Those are $1.99 and they're so much thicker than the Dollar Tree ones. All right, so these are the items that are new. So I got 2 packs of these. Okay, so look, these are, I wanna say they were maybe $9, $4.99 or $9. I don't remember, something like that. Under 10 bucks though, but they're paper and they're thick like cardboard paper, and they're pumpkins. And then, you know, you just open them up. I'm not gonna put them together right now because on, you know, they're for the fall. But this is how they come, and they've got the little metal that keeps them, the little pumpkin thing there, and they're a thick material, and then you just open them up and makes little pumpkins. And these are so cute, and I was really excited when I saw them. I thought that they were such a cute little like holiday, you know, decor. So I got 2 packs of those. They were the only 2 left. So everybody obviously liked them. There were 3 like shelves where they're supposed to be. And yeah. So 8 inches by 8 inches and then 6 inches by 8 inches. That's those. And then this guy. So this guy was sort of expensive. He was $24.99, but so cute. Sorry, I don't want to break him. He is glass. How about the little glass ghost jar? How stinking cute is he? And he is a brand new item for IKEA, and he is so cute. He is the thing, him and those paper pumpkins are what I really wanted to share with you guys, because I just couldn't believe how cute he is. They told me that they just got them in, and yes, so cute. So he'll go put up for Halloween. And then these last 2 items are also new. This was $4.99, so it's 2 black spiders. And it's, you know, the crepe paper that you fold over. But it's big and it's nice and thick. It's not like, you know, cheap feeling. And it's a spider. Now this one, much more expensive, but again, also he's big, and he is also, you know, the honeycomb paper is much bigger or much thicker, like it felt really durable. So he was $14.99, And then you can see, same thing, he folds himself together. So anyways, I thought that these were so cute and they were new. So in case you don't go to IKEA often and you didn't know about them, I just wanted to share because they're adorable. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.